I rise to give my humble opinion on the issue of tax levy added on fuel, especially the VAT. Madam Speaker, we were in this house in 2018. No, it's okay. Those that are privileged to be here, you know from 2018 when we added tax on fuel, what happened to this economy. We are reaping from what we did. Madam Speaker, life is unbearable as we speak to our citizens of this republic. We cannot afford to add more levy on fuel because fuel is a catalyst of everything from production to marketing and to the welfare of the people. Madam Speaker, I want to be on record that right now our people are suffering and production, especially in our rural areas, is going to go to zero if we add tax on fuel. I therefore would want to say it very clearly here that if we want to revamp the economy of this country, adding tax on fuel is not the solution. The solution is empowering our farmers, our producers who normally produce crops that bring dollars into this country. We bring more dollars by selling more of our produce so that we can be able to subsidize on the government expenditure. And on that point, Madam Chair, I stand to refuse the addition of fuel levy tax on the...
Thank you. Thank you. Member for Igamba Ng'ombe.